Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is your Modern Tech Breakdown. Today I have an update on a federal lawsuit against Anthropic that could have some broad impact on AI in general. Let's jump into it. So this is a story that I've been covering for a little while now, and what I've suspected will happen is slowly coming into focus. Anthropic was taken to court in a class action lawsuit by a group of authors that alleged that Anthropic had used pirated works to train its AI models. And a judge in the Northern District of California has ruled that Anthropic's use of copyrighted works was legal under US copyright law, provided Anthropic had bought those books, which in many, but not all cases, they did. So the court has basically decided that if you buy a book, you can use it to train your AI model. Said another way, merely training an AI model on a book you bought does not constitute copyright infringement. However, the court has not ruled on the use of books that have been pirated or not paid for, and the court also did not rule on the legality of an AI model reproducing whole or parts of copyrighted works through responses to prompts. So as the headline on this story states, this seems like a partial victory for Anthropic. They will be going to trial on their use of pirated materials, which this decision, in my opinion, sort of tips the hand of the court a little bit and implies that they think the use of pirated materials is likely not legal. Now, this is good for Anthropic, but perhaps bad for AI startups. This effectively raises the cost of training an AI model, as you'll be forced to either not use copyrighted material or pay for a copy of every single work that you want to train on. That's probably not a small cost for a startup, but most of the AI companies today have billions of dollars in investment, so those companies can probably afford to pay for those copies. But to wrap this one up, I'll call out Anthropic again for some hypocritical behavior. They are about to go to trial for using pirated works. And to be fair, it may come out that they never used those works. But if they did, I don't know how you can possibly reconcile that behavior with the lofty values that they put on their website. How is pirating content, effectively stealing the work of others, acting for the global good? How is that being honest and harmless? Of all the AI companies right now, Anthropic spends the most time talking about AI safety, and they seem to be very closely tied with the effective altruism philosophical movement. But yet here they are allegedly using pirated content. To me, I think it really demonstrates how all the talk about altruism is mostly just a business strategy and not genuine. But I will state again, they haven't gone to trial on this yet. It could turn out that they haven't used pirated content, so my harsh judgment could be too hasty. We will see. But that's all I have on this topic for today. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you next time.